This segment will provide some safety, operation, and maintenance tips for your new Agri-Fab zero-turn electric spreader. Exercise caution at all times when using power equipment. Read the owner's manual carefully for operating and service instructions before attempting to assemble or operate this equipment. Be thoroughly familiar with the proper use of this equipment. Read the vehicle's owner's manual and vehicle safety rules to know how to operate the vehicle before using this equipment. Never allow children to operate the tractor or spreader, and do not allow adults to operate without proper instructions. Keep the area of operation clear of all persons, particularly small children and pets. Read the chemical label before handling or mixing chemicals. Wear eye and hand protection and other protective clothing when handling and applying lawn chemicals. Always begin with the transmission in first, low gear, and engine at slow speed, and gradually increase speeds as conditions permit. The vehicle braking and stability may be affected with the attachment of this equipment. Be aware of changing conditions on slopes. Refer to the safety rules in the vehicle's owner's manual concerning safe operation on slopes. Stay off steep slopes. Always operate up and down a slope, never across the face of a slope. This equipment should be operated at reduced speeds on rough terrain, along creeks and ditches, and on hillsides to prevent tipping and loss of control. Do not drive too close to a creek or a ditch. Do not tow this equipment on a highway or any other public thoroughfare. Follow the maintenance instructions as outlined in the owner's manual. Check the material package for proper spreader settings and application rate. Before filling the spreader, move the control cable lever to the off position. Move the spreader onto a flat surface, either a walkway or driveway, and then fill. Slide the adjustable stop to the desired setting. Setting 7 is the maximum setting you can open this spreader to. Put the switch into the on position. Then move the control lever forward against the adjustable stop to begin spreading. To ensure uniform coverage, make each pass so that the broadcast pattern slightly overlaps the pattern from the previous pass. The approximate broadcast widths for different materials are seen in the application chart. When broadcasting weed control fertilizers, make sure the broadcast pattern does not hit evergreen trees, flowers, or shrubs. Heavy moisture conditions may require a cover over the hopper to keep contents dry. The vinyl cover, Part AA, acts as a wind and moisture shield, but should not be used as a rain cover. If fertilizer is accidentally deposited too heavily in an area, soak the area thoroughly with a garden hose or sprinkler to prevent burning of the lawn. Before each use, do a thorough visual check for any bolts and nuts which may have loosened. Retighten any loose bolts and nuts. Check for worn or damaged parts before each use. Repair or replace if necessary. Always empty the spreader after each use, storing leftover material in its original bag. After each use, rinse inside of the hopper and exterior of the spreader and dry off before storing. As needed, apply a few drops of oil to all moving parts. To remove the spreader, remove any zip ties if needed. Unplug the harness going straight from the T-harness. Remove the hair cotter pin from the clevis pin, and then remove the clevis pin. Slide the hopper assembly out of the hitch mount assembly. Congratulations, your new Agri-Fab zero-turn electric spreader is now ready to use. For additional help or replacement parts, contact Agri-Fab directly at 1-800-448-9282 or visit www.speedepart.com to purchase replacement parts. Agri-Fab, lawn care made easy.